What if I told you Bitcoin's reign is ending faster than you think? And right now, while everyone's obsessing over Elon's tweets and Dogecoin memes, a new wave of cryptocurrencies is quietly taking over, turning early investors into overnight millionaires. But here's the kicker. The clock is ticking, and 99% of people are still hitting snooze. Hey, future crypto moguls, let's cut through the noise. The crypto market isn't just about Bitcoin or Ethereum anymore. It's about Crypto 2.0, coins that are faster, smarter, and 100x more powerful. Today, I'm dropping the 3 new coins set to replace Bitcoin by 2025. One of them has already surged 700% this year, and it's just getting started. But you've got to act fast, because once Wall Street wakes up, this rocket's already in orbit. Let's get real. Most people miss life-changing opportunities because they're stuck in the past. You're still chasing Bitcoin, Dogecoin, or SafeMoon, praying for a miracle pump. Sound familiar? Meanwhile, the smart money, the hedge funds, the Silicon Valley elites, they're dumping millions into Crypto 2.0. Why? Because they know Bitcoin's flaws: slow transactions, insane energy costs, and a dinosaur-level tech stack. But here's the scary part. You're running out of time. The early movers? They're already cashing in. Take coin number 1 on my list. Early investors who bought in 2023 are sitting on 1,200% returns. Wait another month? You'll be paying 10 times for the same coins. So let's talk about the 3 coins that could make you the pioneer of your portfolio. But first, why Crypto 2.0? Because this isn't just about making money. It's about rewriting the rules of finance. It's about being part of the biggest wealth transfer in history. Coin, your one, the Ethereum Killer. Meet the coin. That's not just competing with Ethereum, it's obliterating it. While Ethereum struggles with $50 gas fees and 15-minute transaction times, this coin handles 100,000 transactions per second for pennies. And its price? It's already up 700% this year, and analysts predict another 10x surge by 2025. But here's the secret sauce. This coin isn't just for crypto nerds. It's partnering with Fortune 500 companies to power everything from streaming services to voting systems. Imagine Netflix running on blockchain. No buffering, no censorship, just pure decentralized power. And guess what? Every time a new app launches on this network, the coin's value explodes. But there's a catch. Once Coinbase and Binance list this coin, retail investors will flood in, and the price will go parabolic. Buy it now or regret it forever. Coin number 2, the privacy coin. Ever wish you could keep your crypto transactions as private as your Google search history? Enter the privacy coin, a blockchain so anonymous, even the FBI can't trace it. Think Monero on steroids, but with a market cap 100 times smaller. And yes, governments hate it, which is exactly why it's a goldmine. Here's why this coin's a game changer. It's the only crypto being adopted by high-net-worth individuals and institutions for off-the-books transactions. One Dubai-based hedge fund quietly allocated 20% of its portfolio to this coin last quarter. And the price? It's already doubled since January. Pro tip, if you name your firstborn Satoshi 2.0, you get early access to their staking rewards. Kidding, unless you're into generational wealth? But wait, there's one coin even bigger than this. Coin number 3, the green coin. This isn't just a coin, it's a revolution. Bitcoin guzzles more electricity than Argentina. This coin, it runs on zero energy. How? By using a groundbreaking proof-of-stake system that's already being adopted by the EU and Tesla. Elon Musk tweeted about it last week, saying it's the future of sustainable crypto. But here's what nobody's telling you. This coin isn't just eco-friendly, it's profit-friendly. Early investors are seeing 300% returns in 6 months. Why? Because every time a Fortune 500 company pledges to go carbon neutral, they have to buy this coin. It's like investing in oil in the 1920s, but ethical. Your ESG-obsessed friends will be jealous. Bottom line, this coin's the difference between being a spectator and a trillion-dollar industry insider. But you've got 11 weeks until their next protocol upgrade. Miss this window? You'll be buying at the peak. Let's recap. Crypto 2.0 isn't just the future, it's the now. These three coins are your ticket to generational wealth. The only question is, will you take the leap or let fear hold you back? This isn't about gambling. It's about strategic dominance. The wealthy don't follow trends. They pioneer them. They bought Amazon at 10, Tesla at 30, and Bitcoin at $100. And in 2025, they'll be the ones laughing all the way to the bank with Crypto 2.0. So click the links below. Grab these coins today, not tomorrow, not next week, today, because while you're watching this video, someone just bought another 10,000 coins, and they're never selling. Speaking of the future, want to invest in the next trillion-dollar industry outside of crypto? Tap that next video. Because while Bitcoin's fading, space tourism is the final frontier. And I've got the 3 stocks that'll make you the next Richard Branson. See you there.